everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. As you can see, I am back to my picturesque village named Malvan, which is the southernmost tip of Maharashtra, and it is very close to Goa. So just like last time as I cooked the tandoori fish, please watch my videos, the old ones, and also I cooked shrimp masala at the beach. Today I'm going to whip up a very quick and the most famous Mumbai snack, which is bhel. But the version that I'm going to give you is a fruit version, which is going to be made with chilled fruits along with chilled chutneys, which makes it really exciting to eat. And I'm sure you'll make out the difference if you try this. Kindly try this recipe. Please leave me your comments on my YouTube comment section. Do not forget to like and share this video if you like the recipe, and please hit the bell button so that you get the latest updates of my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get cooking.
For this recipe, I've used 250 grams of bhadang bhel. This is a rice puff mixture which is locally found in Kolhapur. It is actually found online on Amazon too, or many other grocery stores, at least in Mumbai. I'll be making a separate video to make this at home. 1 large tomato chopped, 1 green chili chopped. I've used a non-spicy version here. Juice of 3/4 of lemon, you may use it as per your preference. 2 chopped onions. 150 grams of grapes chopped. 250 grams of chopped pineapple. 1 teaspoon of black salt. 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. Please make sure that your fruits and chutney are ice cold. 5 to 6 tablespoons of sweet and sour tamarind chutney. There are various versions of this. I have made this in a halwai style, and the recipe of the same is posted in the description box below. Add in your finely chopped veggies and fruits to your rice puff mixture, which will include your onions, green chilies, tomatoes, finely chopped cilantro, grapes, pineapple, some chaat masala, black salt. To this, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of sweet and sour tamarind chutney. I am not using a green chutney here because your bhadang bhel mixture or the rice puff mixture is already spicy enough. Squeeze in some freshly squeezed lemon juice and mix in all the ingredients very well together to combine all the flavors and spices. The magic of this bhel lies in how chilled your chutneys and your ingredients are. Make sure they are extremely chilled. I had made sure to keep my onions, tomatoes, pineapples and grapes in the refrigerator prior to cutting them. Now enjoy a burst of all the flavors combining sweet, spicy, sour and tangy as soon as you gulp this bhel down.
The joy of eating bhel puri at this place is divine. I'm so blessed. Thank you, God. Want some? Anyways, join me next time. Simply delicious. A burst of so many flavors as soon as it enters your mouth. Outstanding. Cheers.